Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to delete WordPress website from Hostinger and install. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to go to the Hostinger website and log into your account before accessing your H panel to follow this video. First, go to your hosting list and click Manage, or find the Auto Installer option from the website menu on the left side of the screen for the website or domain you wish to change. After you click on the auto installer inside a specific hosting you've selected, if you have WordPress installed within that hosting, you should see it listed on the top of installed applications on the auto installer page. To properly uninstall WordPress from that hosting page, all you have to do is click the three dots on the right side of the screen, and on the drop-down menu that appears, click Delete. You will get another prompt confirming that you want to delete the application, and it also gives you the option to delete the application, the installation files, or the database. Select whichever ones you want to delete, and after you are sure about your decision, click the red Delete button. After clicking Delete, you will get a prompt on the top right corner of the screen telling you that the WordPress application has been uninstalled successfully. Now, if you wish to install WordPress again and begin anew, all you have to do is head on back to the auto installer page and click on WordPress on the select button and just go through the same procedure as you did last time. Fill out the prompt and click Next to add WordPress to your hosting automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete WordPress website from Hostinger and install. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.